Hi, James from ImpactOS here. Today to talk to you about our data sources screen. On the left-hand menu, third one down, when you click on data sources, I'm going to talk through not only the upload process that you might want to go through with some of your own data, but also giving you an overview of everything else that comes along with it. So moving from left to right, I want to make sure that people understand that the files will have a processing live screen on it. If you put something in the connection, which I'll show you in a minute, you'll be able to see how it updates live. We can get a preview of that data, which tells us exactly what AI detected, any suggested mappings which you can accept or reject, and which frameworks you are mapping to. So making sure that all the access to any of the information you need is accessible at the point of call. The sources, as you would expect, is the ability to see which live sources are we connected to, where are we pulling data from, and what does the health of that data look like, whether it be the amount of records, how often it syncs, or the general data health at source. The review tab, currently nothing in there, but what this does is a human-in-the-loop review process, whereby when you onboard any data, upload it, we will then pull out any potential issues with that and make sure that there's a human-in-the-loop review process for you to ensure that the data that you're putting in is as close to auditable and traceable as possible, and any issues that we find are flagged before it goes live. Integrations, as you'd expect, the opportunity for us to pull your data from live systems is absolutely a capability that we facilitate. But to make sure we get to value really quickly, we give you the opportunity to click and upload data immediately. When that data is uploading, as we spoke about, you can see in the file screen how that data is being translated. So all of that then comes with ownership, who uploaded it, what type of file it is, the size and the number of rows, but also as we go back to our source data here, you can see 85% mapped, and the mapping to frameworks is taking place, as you can see here. And once that is live, we can click on there, have a look at what was in the data, some auto-generated names and some corrupted headers. That will come up for review, but also where we then again map to frameworks for suggestions and for pending. Once those are accepted, they'll go live into the system. Hopefully that gives you an insight as to how best to use the data management and upload process.